Hey guys, welcome back. We're on the XJ again today. We had to take a little bit of a step back on it because everybody's been asking. We've got our 231 transfer case skid plate. Everybody's been bugging us about a 242 option, so here she is. It's going to look a little rough because it just came off the laser this morning. I finished welded it, hit it with some spray paint just to kind of make it look better. But we got a whole batch of these off at powder right now, getting ready for the website. But we're going to do an install video today so that we can keep moving with our project. All right, so we got our skid plate held up with the screw jack right now. A couple things I want to go over. If you have an older style 3-link front from us, your center cross member may not have the pilot holes already drilled out for the skid plate. Not a big deal. Get your skid up there, get it lined up, just drill those holes. You see these hanging here? Previous video, we installed our 4-link rear. Remove that to paint some stuff and have more access when we were designing the skid plate. So you see those hanging there, those are the nut plates up in the frame for the 4-link. So got this held up there. We're gonna get our 2 bolts in the front cross member, get those snugged up so that we can mark our center lines and get those holes drilled out. We've got the full frame stiffener on this one, so we're not gonna use the nut inserts. We're gonna drill and tap our frame stiffener and frame rail. So we'll show you how to do that, and we'll kind of go over that here in just a second. Spray paint's a little tacky. All right, so we got our rear cross member mounted in just to show you guys these systems do work together, or you can do the skid individually without the 4-link, but she's tight up there, but we do have clearance. We got our front 2 bolt holes snugged up so that we can mark and drill out, whether you're using the nut insert or if you have the full frame stiffies like this XJ, we're going to drill and tap those out, drill it to a 5/16, tap it to a 3/8 16 thread. And then just to show you guys here, coming off your front cross member, it is a 242. It's a slightly bigger case than the 231, so we did have to drop this down a little bit for clearance. But we got a nice ramp here, nice gradual ramp, so you'll slide over whatever you need to. It's not a big old front catch, so no worries there. She's gonna be solid. Drill chill. Gotta use that drill chill. Get our press ready. We do have pilot hole already started on this. I'm not just free drilling it. Nice and slow, let that drill chill do its job. So we got both of our holes drilled out. We got them tapped. Time to snug. We got our skid plate installed. We got our bolts all in. Everything is snugged up. Looks real good with that 4-link cross member there. Just a reminder, this one's rattle can just for the video. Your product will have that nice powder coat finish to it. Just got a batch of these out to powder right now. These are made right here in Shakopee, Minnesota. Like I said, this one's right off our laser this morning. I finished welded it. We slapped some powder coat onto her and got her installed. But now you can run your 242, know you're protected, start bashing out on the trails.